Hey y'all, I'm starting off showing y'all just how dry my hair looks when I first start off. And I'm going right into my co-wash. I mix between two conditioners. Basically whatever conditioners I just have in the house at the time, I co-wash with, but it's usually always those two. I'm making sure to really scrub my scalp and work it through my hair to pretty much moisturize and clean out my hair. After this, you want to go in and start detangling your hair. Make sure when you're detangling underwater. I usually wash my hair in the shower. Before this video, I use the sink. So usually I'm under direct water and I can easily detangle. Notice how here, when I rinse out my hair, it's pretty much already like separated and it looks smooth already because that conditioner like really moisturized my hair. After this, I'm going to go in with the deep conditioning, which I only use two products. I use this Shea Moisture Mask. It used to be called Mask, now it's Custard. But look how thick it is. It's the thickest one I use, and I mentioned it in my other video, my wash and go. Also, you want to add some type of oil to your hair, whichever oil you prefer. Add it to your scalp. But you want to be a little neat. Anyways, I get it all over my scalp and in between my hair, etc. And I go in with the mask. And y'all, I pack this mask on like won't play no games around here. I get every strand, you know, moisturized. And I just twist up my hair and plait it into 4 sections. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this step. Put oil once again, y'all. This oil is getting the best of me. But I moisturize my scalp with, you know, with each section. And then basically twist it up as well and put on some type of shower cap. Or you can put on a plastic bag, whatever to put on your hair before you sit under the dryer. And then let sit for about 20 minutes. Alright, that was fun. Now for my final rinse. Look at all this product coming out. And my hair is so moisturized and just juicy, y'all. I love that mask. Anyways, I'm going to rinse out. And basically, I'm going to show y'all my final curls. But this is with no product added. Here, you can do a twist out, a wash and go, or a bun, whatever you like. Basically, style and go. See y'all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.